golden promise. Today we're learning how to build a piston door in Minecraft. But first you have to know what's a piston, okay? And it's like a block, okay? And then when it receives power, the top comes up. So this is how you make a piston. And sticky piston recipe is this: a regular piston and a slime ball. Okay, so now let's talk about piston doors, okay? Build a 3-and-3 arch with a 2-block empty space in the center for the doorway. Then place 2 sticky pistons to the right of the door facing inward, and place 2 blocks in front of them. Okay, so it looks like this. Okay, so now number 2, okay? Dig down 2 blocks behind the pistons. Place a block of blue wool in the hole and a redstone torch on top of it to create your NOT gate. It's weird, it says NOT gate. 3. Place another block on top of the torch. Then place redstone dust on the top. This dust will be enough to power both of the pistons. Your door is finished. So, redstone dust is like gems, but it's red, okay? And redstone dust is very smart, actually. It can be a wire and it can make connection without breaking. Dig a 2-block deep trench running around from the blue wool block to the front door. Run redstone dust along the bottom of the trench right up to the door. This will allow you to connect pressure plates to pistons. Now, it's still piston doors, okay? And fill in the top layer of your trench with blocks of your choice and place a pressure plate in the doorway so the door can be triggered open because of the NOT gate. The pressure plate causes the pistons to open the door instead of closing it, which is far more useful. To make your door open from either side, dig another identical trench from the back of the door to the pistons and place another pressure plate inside. Now hide your circuitry with extra blocks. So this is warning. Sometimes zombies can be near your house, or in your house. And this is another warning. When zombies attack villagers, they turn into villager zombies. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Bye.